Hey there, welcome to another video where we dive into a common problem that many C++ enthusiasts might encounter. So, here's the problem. Someone noticed that the official C++ standard was said to be 2023, but on the isocpp.org website, it still points to 2020. Quite the confusion, right? How can the standard be in the future, while the website seems stuck in the past? Let's unravel this mystery together. In the solution to this dilemma, it turns out that at the time of this recording, C++ 23 is indeed the current standard, published in October 2024. The isocpp.org website seems to be a bit outdated, as it still references the 2020 version. If you want to get your hands on the most up-to-date information, you can head over to iso.org and find the official C++ 23 standard there. It's always good to double-check your sources when it comes to standards and technology updates. Now, wrapping it all up, it's essential to stay informed about the latest developments in the C++ world. Remember, while websites can provide valuable information, sometimes they lag behind the actual releases. So, if you're ever in doubt about which standard is currently in place, make sure to verify the official sources. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. If you enjoyed our exploration of C++ standards, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a witty comment below. Until next time, happy coding!